ki khubor na ka shlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ki Nongtrei jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council hapo ksatri jong non-Ghadc Employees Association negasngi ka khatkhandai tarik ulber arjar arpwai kala penlong ya gejingsyong kalain mengor hamadan student bandawa nak sorkar bahkan Siew no ya Tulop ka jongki kaba ka Ghadc kala pensakut klem Siew hadu lifeway benai kanthi habai keren badu president ka Ngea u senora Johnny areng ulaitu bakadaw jong gejingwan kiu ka jongki banyaki hanong ba silong kadai nakadaw jong Jingbym yo ya Tulop hagini ki lifeway benai kanthi ula ongru ba da gejingwan ki jongki hanong ba silong kalong ban penpau syaka jela baro kawai bagi Nongtrei ka Ghadc ki ya kendo jinge klem yo jing Siew nakaliang gejongki kila ay ya ka dorkas syau lat kejela bat kumjuru syau menteri rangba ukon rat sangma hanrei nakaliang jong menteri rangba simalapai khmat ban shimkhia bat ban pej ya kejinge kaba ki ya kendo.
The main purpose of coming here is that we don't get our salaries for 31 months. And we have done our agitations and we have done our sit-down demonstrations in Tura for whole month, but still no answers have been given by the Chief Minister. So we come to Shillong to show and bring these grievances in a higher way, so that all the people of Meghalaya will know that Ghadc is suffering without salary for 31 months. We'll be giving another memorandum to Governor as well as to the Council Affairs Ministers and Chief Minister. Again, if they don't hit to our grievances, then we'll decide. We have decided in the House that we'll go for Guinness Book of World Record. So the 31 months is such a high pending dues, no? So nobody in this world who stays without salary for 31 months. I guess that will be the champion in this record. Just to show that we have done in Tura, we have shown our grievances in Tura. Now let's go to Shillong and let's make it bigger, so that the people will know that the council's Garo Hills Autonomous District Council's grievances is much it's unexplainable. Grievances is unexplainable, and so that everyone should know that district council in Ghadc is having such a problems that 25 deaths had occurred, that without salary, that no one can provide for this medicinal this medical expenses and school fees. No one can run families. So we have shown in the chair papers also that everyone is facing differently in each and every household who are serving in Ghadc. As per Madam Secretary Armark's statement to the High Court, she says 2,400. 2,400. Sorry, 2,400. So this will be decided by their own likes or dislikes. I cannot say, but from my side too, until and unless I am not paid my salaries, then I won't be voting to anyone. Any executive decision, so we'll be deciding in a meeting that I cannot tell you that what steps will be taken in the next step. So we'll be deciding in our executive meeting, and later on we'll express in the newspaper. 1 month we've got 7 crore in 1 month. Just imagine how much in a year we'll be getting then.
Only the tax.
Only tax for 1 month we got 7 crores.
Now also
I will answer that. Ghadc has not adopted financial rules, service rules, and no planning board committee is till now set up. That's the main reason that why the district council is facing such problems. We are fighting for our salary our revised pay, and for the Human Rights Commission of the of 25 deaths. Total of 3 cases are pending in High Court now. And we have sent our memorandum to Chief Minister, Council Affairs Minister, and Governor.
Again, we have submitted our memorandum.
We have submitted 3 to 4 times we've submitted, but till now no responses come out.